Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Remind Me to Take a Break feature in the YouTube mobile app. This setting helps you manage your screen time and encourages healthier watching habits. If you've ever lost track of time while watching videos, this tip is for you. First, open the YouTube app on your smartphone. Second, tap on three-point at the top right corner of the screen. Third, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Fourth, tap on General. Fifth, look for the option labeled Remind Me to Take a Break and switch the toggle to turn it on. Finally, choose the time interval that works best for you. For example, every 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. Or customize time. YouTube will remind you to take a break based on your selection. And that's it. Now YouTube will remind you to take regular breaks and help you enjoy content more responsibly. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tips like this.